The brain is where our mind is. But try to tell me, hold the mind in your hand. What is the mind? The brain is the machine that produces the cognitive processes and the cognitive state that we call mind. This particular machine is actually producing states that we cannot define, but it's why we're alive, why we're conscious, why we're humans. I'm Ahmed Raslan, Chair of Neurological Surgery at OHSU. I'm also the John Raff Chair in Neuroscience. We think of the brain as a machine, and the output of this machine is action, thoughts, and emotions. We can actually examine those. The direct work that I do, which is to design, develop, and validate new sensors that read out the brain activity, has the ability to redraw the functional atlas of the brain. We can examine the function of the brain at a scale that wasn't previously possible, much in the same way high power telescopes were able to examine the lunar surface.
That's fascinating. What possibilities do you feel like open up to you and to science, medical research in general?
This exact resolution will allow us to be precise in treatment. The readout allow us to kind of distinguish subcomponents of a disease. If we're talking about obsessive compulsive disorders, we could actually tease out obsessions versus compulsions. Depression, there are subcomponents of depression that this high resolution will allow us to isolate. It will also allow us to identify connections between subregions of the brain and other regions of the brain for the purpose of preservation of function if we're going to do surgery or radiation or intervention.
What is kind of the next hope, the next exciting answer that you hope to find that you feel like will be kind of the next breakthrough moving forward?
We are at the convergence of multiple disciplines in this particular time in history that for the first time allow us to get closer to the complexity for the system that we seek to heal or we seek to understand. The human brain is the most complex system that exists in nature that we know of. We need to have tools that match the complexity of the system. We've gone a long way, and now we have these devices and sensors. We have this high precision. I think the next frontier is to get the same precision, only non-invasively. If that happens, I think humanity will benefit tremendously.